Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's of course your boy Alexandrus guy here, back at it again with Floki and Valhalla update, guys. The people's cryptocurrency, the cryptocurrency of this freaking bull run. This is literally the next Pepe, the next sheep, and the next Doge of this bull run, guys. Floki, you already know how it is here, okay? Before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. So first things first, guys, I wanted to mention that Floki is crypto's first CTO, which is basically community takeover, okay? So before CTOs became a trend in crypto, Floki was pioneering the concept of community takeovers years ago. When Floki was racked twice by its original developers in 2021, instead of letting the project die, the community pulled the resources and took control. This was the day the first crypto CTO in history was established. What followed is a testament of the power of community resilience. The revived Floki hit a $3.5 billion market cap later in 2021, survived the roughest of bear markets, and built a cult-like community that remained passionately engaged with the project until this very day. And this is a beautiful story here, guys, okay? So during the depths of the bear market, Floki's Telegram remained one of the most active communities in all of crypto. While other communities obsessed over burns, pumps, and short-term advantages, Floki's community focused on charity and bringing actual value to Web3. The strength of Floki's cult-like community is reflected in how they respond to adversity. During rough markets, instead of complaining, the community pushed for strongest products, school building initiatives, and ways to help the unprivileged. And Floki is all about that. They are actively engaging in many cool charity events and they are helping those that are in need, okay? And this deep-rooted community ethos and resilience makes Floki unique among tens of thousands of crypto projects. So while newer projects attempt to artificially manufacture cult-like communities, Floki's community was forged through real adversity and united by a genuine mission to make positive change. And Floki is crypto's first CTO. It's the proof that a truly dedicated community can overcome any obstacle and create lasting impact in crypto, blockchain, and the real world, okay? And this is what they can definitely be proud of, and I'm gonna proudly repost this as well, guys. So with that being said, I can also give you a brief explanation of what Floki is if you are not familiar yet. But guys, let me tell you that you should definitely familiarize yourself, because I've made a bunch of videos about Floki already. So if you haven't watched them, then you are really missing out. Go ahead, man, do your homework, watch those videos, okay? So Floki is the people's cryptocurrency and utility token of the Floki ecosystem. It's focused on utility, community, philanthropy, and strategic marketing. Floki is working toward becoming the world's most recognized and used cryptocurrency. With over 490,000 holders globally, Floki has already established a strong brand presence. So all of the information regarding Floki, their whole ecosystem, you can see on the website. And as you guys can see, when it comes to their ecosystem in itself, they have a lot. They have Valhalla, which we'll be discussing today. They have TokenFi, which we also talked about in my last videos. They have staking, FlokiFi, NFTs, prepaid card, places, University of Floki, Floki trading bot, which we'll also discuss shortly, name service, and there is definitely more than that coming, guys, which is absolutely crazy and lovely. So Valhalla, guys, okay? Let me give you some information about Valhalla. We will dive deeper into it in just a second, guys. So Valhalla is basically a blockchain-based MMO RPG which is inspired by Norse mythology, offering players the chance to discover, tame, and battle with creatures called Veras. And the game features a player-driven economy and hexagonal battlefield designed for dynamic combat. And also, all of those informations are available on their website. So guys, the great information is that you can play the game now, and it will be officially launched on mainnet on November 28th, 2024, okay? And Valhalla was of course fully developed by Floki, alright? Okay, so let's jump into some news. As we usually do, let's go into some updates, and then we will jump into Valhalla, trading bot, and all the good stuff that you guys are definitely waiting for. So first things first, I wanted to mention that Floki was recently added to Coinbase, and as you can see, this is a great massive news, and also there is a whole blog page from Coinbase about that, okay? As you can see, Floki actively engaging under the post as well, which is great. So another thing, guys, is that Floki is going to support a Wise Monkey launch. As you can see, they support the launch, and this is massive because 35% of the hyped monkey token supply will be airdropped to the Floki ecosystem, guys. 27% of this will be directly airdropped to Floki holders, and 4% will be airdropped to Floki trading bot users, and 4% also will be airdropped to TokenFi holders. So users need to hold at least 500,000 Floki tokens to qualify, and will be airdropped proportionately to their holdings. So if you are already holding some Floki, some good bag, some good amount, then man, you know, this benefits you in many different ways, for example by this airdrop even, which is great, okay? Another thing is Floki announces support for launch of Monkey meme coin. This is basically reposted also by BSCN News, and also they have it on their Medium page, so they are very proud of it, and well, obviously as they should be, because it's a great thing that they do it, and also it's great for the community because again, you guys can make some money for just hodling some Floki, okay? Which is cool because it's always some additional free crypto that can also skyrocket, especially if it will be supported by Floki, man. It speaks volumes, you know? So trading bot, as I said, okay? I also have a separate video about the trading bot, so if you want to learn more about it, how to use it, how to utilize it, and why it's great, because it is really great, then you should definitely head to my last video regarding this Floki trading bot. You can find it on my channel, and I will probably plug it down below in the description as well, so you can find it easily. So the Floki trading bot, guys, has crossed over $116 million in volume, which is as of today, we have 19th, and since its recent launch, this is the result they have done, which is great. And Floki trading bot, guys, is a Telegram bot that allows you to manage a hot wallet through the interface of your Telegram chats. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies across different blockchains, including the mainnets of Ethereum, Coinbase Base, and Binance BNB chain. They also have Solana support, which is coming soon, which is great information as well. And guys, 1% transaction fee is charged on usage of Floki bot, and 50% of this fee goes towards a transactional buy and burn of the Floki token, which is making the Floki token in itself hyper deflationary. So it is fully and truly beneficial to the whole ecosystem, and it makes Floki further deflationary and increases the potential for the price growth long term, which is lovely again, okay? And Floki trading bot, guys, as you can see, is officially live on mainnet as of August 19th, and basically they have it all explained here, guys. So let me show you the video while I will talk about it. So Floki trading bot is the fastest and simplest way to buy and manage tokens directly from Telegram, without having to deal with slow dexes, transaction confirmation delays, or slippage issues that cost you money. And often this could mean the difference between making a mere 1x or a 5x on the same trade. And Floki trading bot is initially launching on the mainnet of 3 biggest EVM chains, which is BNB, Ethereum, and Base. It is also set to go live on Solana and other top EVM chains soon, guys. Users of Floki trading bot get rewarded by using the bot to trade. 1.5% of the total Simon's Cat token supply, which is worth $7 million at peak, was allocated towards rewarding users of Floki trading bot. Then again, 4% of the total Monkey token supply has been allocated towards rewarding users of Floki trading bot, and there are many more rewards coming for users of the bot. So not only you can make money from your trades, you can also again be benefited by just simply being a user of the bot, okay? So guys, let's get into Valhalla, okay? Let's get into the Valhalla for a little bit, which is Floki's flagship utility product, play-to-earn MMORPG game that goes live on mainnet on November 28th, so pretty soon, and there is a whole announcement about it right here, which I'm also gonna proudly repost, so you that follow me on Twitter can already be well aware that there is probably video coming, okay? So if you're not already following me on Twitter, then go ahead, do so. It's at Alexandrus here. A really easy name, you can definitely remember it. Go ahead and follow me, guys, okay? I really do appreciate it. So Valhalla, I already kind of explained it to you, so you know, if you want to appreciate it a little bit more, let's take a look at the first game trailer, okay? Let's take a look at the first game trailer, because that's how you can appreciate the potential of the game itself, okay? So guys, I also made videos about Valhalla directly, so if you haven't watched this, then again, do your homework, go ahead, watch those videos. I remember that I was saying some good stuff about this trailer, because I mean, just watching it, look how great it looks, the graphics, you know, the dynamic of everything, it looks pretty professional, like AAA games, you know, so that's really cool. And the fact that you can play it already is mind-blowing, because it all happened so fast. As you can see, the trailer is from February, guys, so it's not even been a year, okay? That's crazy. So we will get into Valhalla website review in just a second. I want to show you some stuff on the website as well, because it's pretty cool. And yeah, we will go over those two things that I have prepared for you as well, and then we'll get into some more updates and some more information about Valhalla, which has some crazy marketing, like for real, crazy marketing, obviously in the positive sense. So let's get right into the website, guys. So as I said, you can find all the informations here. What I wanted to focus on is to show you the two videos. First of all is their open multiplayer video. So obviously, guys, as they say, you can experience the open world of Valhalla, explore and discover, engage in battles, create your clan, complete quests, interact with other players in real time. On mainnet, players will be able to earn Floki tokens. So this is play to earn as well. And guys, the fact that you will be able to build clans, play with your friends, or meet new people to play with is also really great. And again, you can see the mind-blowing graphics that this game has. Remember, it's an MMORPG, so, you know, it looks pretty cool, I'd say. And then they also have the Battle Arena, guys, tactical turn-based combat. Valhalla is a turn-based combat game that tests your tactical skills. So use your Vera's magical abilities and strategic thinking to outwit opponents. Plan each move carefully and anticipate your opponent's actions for victory. So obviously this is a skill-based game as well, so you know, it will probably take you a while to master all the skills and how to use your Veras and all of that. But guys, once you get a hold of it, then you can probably dominate with your clan, and that's how you can make money. That's how you can also, you know, just climb up in the whole ecosystem, which is great, okay? So yeah, these are the two videos on Valhalla's website that I wanted to show you. Look at, again, like, let's appreciate those graphics, those characters, especially the attention to all the details. Man, the carrot guy, I don't want to disrespect him, okay, but he looks like Carrot to me, is my favorite, to be honest. So yeah, I really like this guy. Definitely gonna check him out in the game itself. So yeah, that's very cool. And yeah, basically, guys, you have some game statistics also already. It's growing pretty nicely, so let's appreciate this as well. So let's cover some announcements now. Let's cover some news regarding Valhalla, guys. First things first are the marketing events, okay? So they have partnered up with the one and only Dubai Mall of the Emirates, as you can see. Huge partnership, as you can see. Prominently displayed across 93 screens in the mall for a 4-week campaign running from November 15th to December 12th. Mall of the Emirates, guys, located in the heart of Dubai, one of the world's most prestigious shopping destinations, one of the biggest malls also, which is great to see. Yeah, so that is in the Mall of the Emirates. And then this is not the end, guys. They have one more mall advertisement in Dubai, in fact, which is great because Dubai is super crypto friendly and there is a lot of crypto based people living in Dubai or coming for different events, stuff like that. They definitely come shopping as well, so you know the marketing is definitely here, okay? Wafi Mall is the another shopping mall center, and I love the graphic here. Habibi, come to Floki.com, and like this is so on point, for real though, really nice. And this is not the end, because Valhalla also takes over Delhi NCR, which is India, with massive marketing campaign, so also a really nice update. You have the info here, and basically they are announcing the Valhalla and all of that. You have all the info what they're currently featuring when it comes to the marketing. So you have 6 big LED screens and 1 static unipole strategically placed over prime locations, and also 10 buses of Delhi Transport Corporation with Valhalla advertisement. And India, guys, believe it or not, they are also very crypto heavy, okay? A lot of people in India are interested in crypto. Some hold more, some hold less. Also depends on the finances, obviously, as anywhere else in the world. But generally speaking, India is very heavy on crypto, so this is also a great marketing move from Floki. And then, guys, official Valhalla ambassador. Julius Bjornsson, and the guy here is the Icelandic strongman and actor fan for his role the Mountain in Game of Thrones. So you probably know the guy, okay? And as you can see, he is more than happy to announce his team up with Valhalla, and he's the greatest fit for this project when it comes to collaboration with some real people, like, you know, like single influencer, I'd say, collaboration. He's the best that they could literally choose, man, for this character. It's crazy, okay? And then you also have some more informations regarding this collaboration, as you can see, some more detailed ones, and that's basically what I wanted to say. But this is not the end of the great collaborations, guys. Floki is also actively engaging with different major esports teams, so they are also great partnerships here, one of them being with Alliance, which is a globally recognized esports powerhouse, and yeah, they are already partnering up. You can see this by even watching some of the Alliance's games, because as you can see, Valhalla logo on Alliance's official jerseys for all Apex Legends and CS2 teams, which is great because also people watch the games and there is thousands of people watching them every single time, and Alliance being a very decent team as well, okay? But they have even better team, I'd say. I mean, I'm just a fanboy, so you know, it will be always be better for me, but they have also partnered up with OG Esports, so another great esports team collaboration. So these guys, when it comes to the marketing, they are also, I'd say, fully taking over when it comes to marketing, you know. They are covered in every single freaking aspect, you know, gaming, shopping, everything, okay? So that's great. And also Valhalla, guys, is entering Formula 1 sim racing with groundbreaking Kick F1 partnership. So this is another partnership that they have announced, as you guys can see. So that's another huge, great news. And again, as I'm saying, they are all over the place, you know, also collaborating or partnering with Miami Hurricanes, so you know, they are official sponsor, as you can see, of University of Miami Athletics for 2024-25 season. So they are also doing a lot of good for community with those partnerships, and as you can see, there is also a video here, guys. So yeah, these are the updates that I wanted to give you today about Floki and about Valhalla. It's nice to see them grow, and if you guys will still enjoy the videos, because so far I'm mind blown with how strong the community is of Floki on my YouTube channel, how many of you watch these videos, how many of you like these videos, and how many of you enjoy these videos. And if you can keep up this trend, I will definitely be making more videos about Floki and about Valhalla, TokenFi, and the whole ecosystem, guys. So if you are interested in seeing more, leave a like, comment, subscribe this channel if you are not already subbed, and that will be it from me for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and see you in the next ones coming out soon.